I'm going to apply crayon on this shape here to do a resist technique. And I'm going to lightly color the crayon on top of the paper, allowing a fair amount of white paper to show through the surface. But I'm going to use the marks that I make to my advantage in designing and decorating the top of this shape. And what I mean by that is I don't want the marks to appear like I've just scribbled quickly, but I want my marks to appear somewhat controlled and uniform. And this resist technique will also help with the appearance of texture. And texture is one of those design elements that helps to create depth. So I have a light application of color, and now I'm going to use a contrasting wash, although similar. So I'm using a red-violet crayon, and now I'm going to use my blue-violet wash. And basically the crayon is going to resist the application of the blue-violet. And I can do this in layers. I can let this dry and add more of the red-violet crayon down. Or I could try a darker wash of color and see if that shows that the crayon is a little bit lighter in value than the blue-violet. Remember to have plenty of paper towels handy to lift your drops of water off of the paper. Sometimes crayons are water soluble, so you'll want to read the label before you begin, and you don't want a water soluble crayon because it will dissolve. I'm going to go in and try and make this have a little bit more contrast, so I'm going to blow dry this top layer and do this technique again.